Term solution, imbis na magtanim tayo ng palay, magtanim tayo ng iba na. Ang liit-liit ng kinikita sa palay. Lumipat na tayo sa ibang produkto. May bawang, yung lasuna, yung kamatis, yung Baguio vegetables. Marami yan, mga high-value crops. Kaya siguro that is one immediate solution. According to the Philippine Rice Industry Roadmap, up to 2030, marami silang mga goals. These are good goals, pero para sa akin, kulang pa. Even after the roadmap, mataas pa rin ang cost of production as compared to other countries. Sana, by the end of the decade, malampasan na natin sila. I remember when the Department of Agriculture was devolved to the local provinces and cities. Tinanggal na sa national. Sinabi nila, ang mga provincial governor at saka mga city mayor